on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making sweet and smoky baked beans. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 11-ounce cans of pork and beans, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 small onion diced, 4 large garlic cloves minced, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay guys, I'm using a 5-quart saucepan. So we're going to let that heat up and we're going to add in our olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Next, you want to add in your onion. And we're just going to saute that for 2 minutes. You want your heat to be on medium. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And we're going to saute that for 1 minute. For 1 minute, you want to add in your ground beef. We're going to begin to break down our ground beef. You want to make sure it mixes well with the onion and garlic. And we're going to continue to cook it until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove all excess grease. Next, we're going to add in our salt and our pepper. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can add in your pork and beans. And we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. We're going to add in our brown sugar. You want to go ahead and stir it until you get it well combined. We're going to add in our barbecue sauce. Our ketchup, our Worcestershire sauce, our liquid smoke, chili powder, our onion powder, and also our yellow mustard. Now you want to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now you can give it a taste and make sure it's to your liking. You can place your lid over top and we're going to lower our heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer for 30 to 35 minutes. And guys, you want to make sure you stir occasionally. Okay guys, it's been 35 minutes. You can turn your heat off. We're just going to go ahead and mix our baked beans. Look how delicious that looks. The sauce is nice and thick. It smells delicious. Okay guys, so here we have our sweet and smoky baked beans. I'm just going to go ahead and give it a taste. Guys, this is so good. It tastes so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?